Left summer course, no first monkey tracking the dog around the course. Will be the winner. Next anybody's victory. The next look on the outside, number 2, number 7 on the inside. It's number 2 by a nose. Yes, sir. Let me introduce you to the winner of that first race, number 2 monkey here. This is Bobo. Bobo here, he's an 8-year-old white-faced capuchin monkey. He's a little monkey that got us involved in the Banana Derby. We're having breakfast one morning and we looked out the window. He's riding around on Old Red, hanging on by the ears. Red here joined out the Banana Derby last September. We were down in Birmingham, Alabama at the Alabama State Fair, and we rescued Red from the Shelby County Humane Society in Columbiana, Alabama. Red does all the work, and Bobo gets all the credit. Let's give Red a hand for being a swell dog. That still counts for something, my friends. Yes, sir. Hey, out of my pocket. You know, as we travel across North America, one of the questions we hear quite often is, hey, what do those little monkeys like to eat? What's the diet of the capuchin monkey? Well, I'll tell you, they enjoy bananas, grapes, kiwi, oranges, mango, plantain, watermelon, cantaloupe. They're herbivorous, like the big monkeys I see out there, which means, in addition to fruits, nuts, buds, and seeds, they also enjoy meat. In the wild, they'll eat insects, spiders, bird eggs, small invertebrates. In captivity, they enjoy pork, poultry, beef, and seafood.